Ken Kruder founded this company 50 years ago, and he was a very intelligent man, had a lot of patents. We started out with pneumatics, and we have grown that business. We've moved to electronic products and digital products, software. We're now with the third generation being part of the business. And so we're creating a KMC legacy that is part of the bigger America legacy.
KMC products stand out because we embrace technology to make the product either easier to install in the field or easy to support over the long term. Because we produce all of our product here in America at our headquarters, we can keep a firm grasp on quality. We have a product that's easier to support in the field, and it gives us a more personal touch to our customers. It's important to us that we engineer and manufacture our products because it allows us to be more responsive and supportive to our customers, either our system integrators that are installing KMC product in the field or our OEM customers that want minor customization to their products before they get delivered.
It's important to me that we make our products here in America, primarily because when you walk around this factory, you see the people that are involved in it. We're not only employing people, but families. When my grandfather founded the company, it was founded as a family business with a lot of family involvement, and that's evolved over the years. We've obviously grown and expanded, but we've kept that focus on family, and it still plays a key part in our corporate culture today. By being vertically integrated here in America, it allows us to control our quality and also our time to market by doing all of our engineering, manufacturing, and production here in Northern Indiana. KMC is proud to be an American company because American companies are known for high quality manufacturing, high quality employees, and also the opportunity to innovate.
We're proud of the American spirit, and we're proud of KMC's spirit. We have the spirit of growth. We have the spirit of innovation. We can be much more comfortable with controlling our quality. And we are very vertical integrated here. We're very proud of the workforce in the United States. And we're proud to be able to help advance America's leadership in innovation and technology.